The purpose of this tutorial is to show you a little bit about the customer profile. Here you can view all his repairs, appointments, special orders, and everything else. So let's get started by going to the customer section on the side menu. Here are all our customers. If we just select the customer, here can view all his repairs, appointments, orders, any credit. You can add a credit to the customer. You can view his sales, buybacks, and if you call them, you can see his call history. So let's just select repairs. As you may see, these are all the repairs that belong to that customer. Appointments, you can view all his appointments. Orders, you can view his credit. He has no credit, you can add a credit. View his sales, buybacks, and call logs. So it's very convenient because you have everything in one place and it's very simple to find. Alright, so that was a customer profile. Hope to help. Thanks for watching this tutorial. Feel free to go to the App Store and you can download RepairSpots and you can start your free 30-day trial. You can also go to our social media and view all the content that we have there to offer. We're always posting updates on new releases and new features. If you have any questions, you can always reach us at info@repairspots.com. Thanks for your time.